Hi everyone. So I didn't record an intro for this vlog, but basically this is me stepping up outside of my house because I need it. We're really damn sure I need it. So yeah, enjoy, I guess. No. This is not a laughing matter. I don't go out. I hate it. I'm exposed to all the people. Today I went out because I always wanted to try this local bakery. I wanted to try the croissants, and to be honest, it was mid. Too overhyped. I got a matcha latte. That was good. Then I took cute pictures as homeless swear at us, but nothing crazy, you know, normal stuff.
El primer delito de Michelle.
Never in my driving history. I classify myself as a great driver, but this isn't a speed limit ticket. So here in California, the parking situation is just rough, man. We went to the freaking aesthetic, super overhyped coffee shop. The parking situation was insane. My cousin was like, look, there's a spot right there, and I was like, but it's yellow. And I was like remembering my driving knowledge, and it just crossed my mind. Like, yellow means that you are gonna like pick up something and you need to go, right? She was like, no, trust me. Like, she just recently got her permit. She was like, no, trust me, you can park here. Don't you think? So I got socially pressured and I parked there. Another thing that I saw, that it was the spot where I parked, it was like right in front of dog hospitals. So makes sense. After that, I want a SMISKI because I'm collecting them, you know. And I saw a store that was selling SMISKIs and Sunny Angels, you know, that you can get it without breaking the bank, because SMISKIs are freaking expensive. Like, if you search on Amazon, they're like $20, and I'm like, hell no, I'm not gonna pay for that. So I'm gonna drive my ass right there. I was on the freaking freeway. I saw a paper and I was like, is that a freaking ticket? And she was like, no, it must be, maybe Domino's got a great sale.
No, ¿qué será eso? Jimena va a hacer una multa. ¿Qué más puede ser?
Damn, Domino's be looking like a freaking government paper. I'm just laughing, bro, because I cannot take this seriously. Like, okay, if you're the government, no, I take this very seriously. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna pay this after this. How am I gonna tell my mommy? To be honest, I don't feel that they will like get mad at me. Maybe because at the end I'm gonna pay it, you know.
Dale, ma, dale.
I will need to take out money from my BTS concert saving. This is gonna delay me. Jungkook, honey, you need to understand. Mommy got bills to pay for now. Why I don't listen to myself? Like, I get so socially pressured that I just, oh my god. But you know, content. Who am I gonna tell my dad? The first person I'm gonna see in like an hour is my dad. Okay, let's practice together. Papá, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te fue el trabajo? Sí. Oye, llegó esto. Just take it. Yes. Just take it. I didn't saw a parking section on my DMV test, so this is their fault. We should film a lawsuit. Dad, I'm pregnant, and I also got this. Appa, remember the time that you ate the last cookie and then you blamed me for that and told my mom that I was the one that ate it all because you didn't wanna fight my mom? Yeah, we're even now. Watch me whip. Watch me nunu. Bro, I got a homeless lady cursing me out. I got a freaking ticket just to eat and try mid croissants. minutes. I refuse to live in fear. I'm gonna pick my cousin again. We're going to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Living with fear is not living. So yeah, we're gonna leave after this. We just been here for like 20 minutes and we're ready to leave.
¿Lo que tú querías? Sí. ¿Cómo vamos a llegar hasta allá?
Ay, Dios. Ok, vámonos.
Este Hot Girl Summer como que... tiene muy... Hi Girl Summer. Hi Girl Summer. Uy, no.
Everyone, I got some Oreo Dippin' Dots. My heart is hurting. Everything is hurting.
Okay. Muy frío. Very frío.
Hi guys, it's me. I feel like this vlog is all over the place. And yes, I'm wearing, okay, this is a different outfit, okay? Just same hat and same. Right now I have 4 water bottles with me because I'm going to the fair with my cousins. Well, I'm bringing them water and I'm gonna be the driver. I'm paying parking everywhere I go. Like, I don't care. I'm just paying.
My fucking camera.
Guys, it's been like 3 hours. We're already done, like, and we're gonna leave. We're gonna take some cute pictures
because we are poor. We have no money.
Yeah, we're gonna take pictures, go out of here, maybe eat some burgers, and yes, hot girl summer. In Primal? On Primal? On Primal? On Primal?
Just call it out loud.
Falling into the trap site. My mom and I came here to leave my brother because he's gonna rehearse for something, for like a dance. And she was like, oh my god, there's my best clothes are right here. Let's just go and check. It's been an hour and I think we're gonna be here for another one. There's a lot of useful stuff, but like, I'm broke, number 1. Number 2, there's a lot of stuff and I get super overwhelmed. This is me when any one of my friends asks me for relationship advice. I'm not gonna buy it, but
Por favor, pase a la carta 8.